Hey, ProbStats kids, this is Dr. Callahan. How are you doing? Welcome to week 10 Wednesday, and this is your warm-up vlog for the day. So go ahead and pause the video and answer the following questions. All right, so last time we talked about statistical design, about your possible study for your statistical design. One of the questions I used in class was, are you adequately prepared for college? And I think about things like that, and I'm like, what are the possible responses that I would get? So these are some of the responses I'm thinking I will get. Some kids will say, yes, I'm 100% ready. Others could say I'm adequately ready. Some are ready, almost ready, not ready, very much not ready, or I'm just not going to go to college. After I have something like this, I'm going to have to figure out, how am I going to interpret the data? Am I going to find the mean, mean, and mode of it? Am I going to put on a box and whisker chart? Am I going to do a frequency table? Am I going to do a pie chart, bar, diagram? How am I going to overall summarize this data? So these are some of the things you need to start considering about for your own test. This is your homework assignment from week 10, Tuesday. So make sure you go ahead and take a look at the answers. Your total is out of 7 points. And as always, you have this on your Google Doc. Remember, there are 2 links on your white guided notes. One is for the YouTube video. The other one is for your Google Doc. All right, so then let's go ahead and take a look at your objectives that we covered in class. So here is your objective for number 10. These are the answers. So take a pause and make sure you put that or have this in there. The next one is objective number 11, and these are the answers for those examples. All right, so this is the breakdown for today. You guys do have a quiz on sections 1.3. It is 8 questions, multiple choice, and then 1 fill in the blank. So a total of 9 points altogether. After that, I'm gonna have you guys do a Khan Academy on design your own statistical study. It is on this tiny URL, so make sure you guys type that in. There is an extra credit opportunity that I am gonna talk to you guys about in a second. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's just talk about the extra credit first, since I'm sure people are like, what are you doing with that? So with the extra credit, I have this document. And what I want you guys to do with this is, so you can see the new screen. You obviously are not going to be working on this because I already have the answers right here, what the steps. But what you're going to be doing is you are going to create a new set of examples, a new set of problems, similar to the one that I have here, except you're going to create the numbers, you're going to ask the questions, and you're going to show me the work, and then box your answers. And there are several sets. Altogether, there are, let's see, 18 different sets of questions. You probably don't want to go anything further than number 14 because we haven't done anything past 14 yet. So for you guys, it'll just be 13. So any examples that you like between 1 to 13, you can create your own set of problems, solve it, and then turn that in as in if you're creating a worksheet. And I will use that as extra credit. All right, so then let's kind of go back to this. So here are some things that you can work on with your Khan Academy. You're going to watch this and do your own statistical study. There are videos that are available and show your work on a separate piece of paper, although if you're in class, I will provide that for you. There are 4 sections for this. So once you go in there, these are the 4 different types of sections, and you're going to answer them, watch the videos, and finish the 4 different questions. So once you type this tiny URL in, it will look like this. And still thinking, sorry, it's taking a little bit longer. So your screen should look something like this. Once you type it in, it's types of statistical studies. And first you answer the questions, okay? Watch the video. And then afterwards, you are going to do the 4 problems and then proceed forward with it. And then if you feel the need to go ahead and watch some other ones, there are some additional questions that also pertain to this class. So you can go ahead and read those as well. All right, so now let's get to your quiz. So this is going to be on MS Team for week 10, Wednesday, and it's 8 multiple choice question, 1 fill in the blank questions, all together 9 questions. And when you're done with that, make sure you do your reflections right here. This is your response for question number 9. And let's go ahead and show you guys where it is, even though I'm sure you guys are smart enough to figure it out. So on MS Team, make sure you go to ProbStats. And then from there, you can see right here where it says week 10, Wednesday. Click on View Assignments. And from the student view, you should be able to see that there is it's 10 points available. For some reason, sometimes the upload doesn't work here, but that's okay, because when you go to your class anyways, I have it attached on the very bottom right here. So regardless whether you can see it or not, you will definitely have that readily available. And you just simply click on it. And you have the quiz attached right here. And just to make sure, I want to make sure that all of the probability and statistics class have that available. And yep, you should have it in both classes. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. Make sure you guys turn that in. And as always, stay safe and healthy. Take care.